Keeney, the leader in plumbing solutions, is proud to offer quick and easy solutions for the modern plumber. We know your time is valuable and that plumbing projects can sometimes be frustrating or difficult. Our innovative instant plumbing products will save you time and provide the results you depend on from Keeney. Repairing and installing stop valves in a PEX system typically involves large, expensive, and specialized tools, but not anymore. Keeney's no Crimp PEX valves are installed with a quick push and can be tightened with a standard wrench. It's that simple. To finish the job even faster, choose either of our pipe covering solutions. Undersink plumbing repair and installation is very easy when you use Keeney's Insta-Plumb push-fit line for kitchen and bathroom drainage products. Insta-Plumb is easy to use. There is no glue or solvent, and it's mess-free. Quick connections are achieved when you use a combination of a rubber O-ring supported by a stainless steel lock ring. This creates a secure, watertight installation. Let's see our happy plumber complete the job quickly and confidently. Whether it is in the kitchen or the bathroom, Insta-Plumb is the perfect solution for you. Keeney's innovative modern plumbing solutions save you time. Your installation, our innovative products. For more information, visit our website at KeeneyMFG.com.